In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Google account using your computer or laptop. First, open Google Chrome from your desktop. Now select the Google account you want to delete. Once selected, you'll see the account's main interface. Next, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, click on Manage your Google account. This will open your Google account settings page. On the left-hand side menu, click on Data and Privacy. Now scroll down a little until you see the section Download or Delete your data. Here you have the option to download all your Google account data just in case you want to keep a backup. Scroll down further and you'll see Delete your Google account. Click on it. Google will now ask you to enter your account password. Type your password in the input box and click Next. On the next screen, you'll again get the option to download your data if you haven't already. Scroll down and you'll see two checkboxes. Tick both checkboxes to confirm that you understand the consequences. Finally, click on the Delete Account button, and that's it. Your Google account has been successfully deleted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss out on future tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.